and June.
And today
We have this huge thing of like
toys.
mystery toys.
So wait, we gotta get a blindfold.
Go get a blindfold. So
I
Quinn's gonna go. While Quinn's getting the blindfold, there's like a million items in here. There's a lot of stuff, like from Shopkins to squishies to like this squishy foam. Go with that blindfold, the unicorn one, and like all this sorts of stuff. Yeah. So it's really fun. We were gonna do like this thing where we did every week. We would open like a new thing, but that wasn't really gonna work out right. So yeah. So yeah, guys. Okay. So Quinn's gonna go first.
No, you.
I am. Okay. So we got to put it on,
And I would hold it for you so you guys can see.
and then whatever I pick out, and there's 2 of each item. So whatever I pick out.
Actually, we're gonna take out the big ones.
So because we're gonna do those last.
Yeah, so.
Oh.
Yay!
Okay, so it's like this clay stuff. Go get a plate, maybe.
No, you.
Okay.
You.
Oh, it doesn't need a plate.
Really?
Like, it's like, whoa, guys. So show them what it is.
Ew.
Oh, don't show them the price tag, though. So it's kind of like foam. Show them, Quinn. Show them yours.
I gotta hold it over something.
So it's like foam beads, but with like glue in it. ASMR. Like,
I'm actually like this. Actually,
so, yeah, guys, that was our first thing.
for like, how much dollars was that?
$2.50. So, yeah.
What?
Let's
That's
put it back inside the
I
box.
can't. So I can put it on the Shopkins. My turn. Nike headband.
Yours fell everywhere. Okay. If you grab it, you have to take it. Okay, there. Okay, take off your blindfold. So, kitty cones. And I don't really know how much this was, so.
And we don't even know what it is. Oh, don't show them this.
Yeah. So, show them the packaging. It's like a really cute ice cream thing. Show them yours.
It's the same thing.
Oh, yeah. So, there's only a few things left, guys. I thought there was a lot of stuff, but there's
I
not
did
much.
too.
How'd you do that?
What? I didn't open. I didn't open.
There, we got it.
Wait, what?
Get it with your teeth.
Today our dog got really cold, didn't it? And
Yeah.
it started like.
She's really old. She's almost 10 years old.
She
So.
is 10.
Yeah. So, what comes inside?
I can't open my. Don't show me.
Okay. So,
How about we just try it?
Quinn, no.
Yes. I'm trying.
Don't open it yet.
I'm not gonna show them. Wait, why is it so different? Yeah,
It's like a eraser?
I guess. Oh, and you can take it apart.
Okay. So,
Wait, put them on the ground for just a second.
okay. So, what it is like inside this little package with ice cream.
And like there's that.
So, show them. I think there's layers.
Yeah.
So, Quinn's going to put hers together and I'll put mine together.
Yep. I feel like mine's a kitty corn. Mine's a kitty corn. Mine's a kitty corn. Ah! Wait, baby.
Wait, hold on. Wait, no. This and then this. So it's supposed to look like this, I think?
Wait, what?
What? Okay, I think you get this and then you have like add-ons you can put on its head. So like if one day he wants to have like this, you can put that on his head.
Mine's weird.
Like it's really weird, but whatever. So who I got is the chocolate kitty. Does he have sprinkles on his head? No. I got Coco.
I can't really. Mine was a unicorn, but then I broke it, and then I got this.
So they're
So,
really cute, guys.
I just love this.
Oh, I think I got Coco or
See, we got the different things.
I got Coco or
How did they shape it?
Coco with sprinkles. I think I got Coco. Okay,
I
guys.
don't really care what I got.
So put that back inside your thing.
Your turn.
Boop.
I kind of like them right there.
I'm trying to get this back in here. Okay. So we just got a Nike headband, guys, because we are on like the Nike roll. So let me see. Show them how much stuff is left.
There's one. Wait, let me count. Oh, we just don't look because I just put it on the ground. Yay!
The thing that Quinn wanted.
Squishies.
So show them.
I don't really care. I want to open it. So
Mushy
let's
mushy.
get it.
Squeezamals, I think.
Yeah, June already has one. Ladybug.
Yeah, so hopefully I don't get a double.
Well, they're small.
Uh-oh.
I think mine's.
Quinn got a unicorn! And I got like a zebra? Yeah.
It's so cute.
So I'm going to show you which one. Oh my gosh.
Oh! I told you.
Does it come with like a thing?
Oh, small one.
Okay, so who I got was Zip Zebra.
I got
Cansless.
Unicorn.
No, Canned Ice Unicorn.
Okay.
So, show them a 360. And like they're so
okay,
cute.
my turn.
Okay. Let me make them up. Quinn!
There we go.
Yeah, they all feel different, so.
Okay, so I can't. What?
There's a little thing.
Really? Oh yeah.
These are for 4+. I don't even know what they are.
Wait, you gotta wait.
They look like kind of like caramel
June,
apples.
open mine. I don't want to switch, but open mine. Mine looks more like a caramel apple, doesn't it?
Yeah, they're called. What are they called?
Why
Cake
do
pop cuties.
I just need a face in here. No one likes that face. I can't stop squeezing this.
But it's kind of weird. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Set, go. Wait. Wait.
Push this camera out of mine. So they're squishies. I gotta. Wait. Okay, this is what you got. I got a little peppermint dog thing and a cupcake. What'd you get?
I got like a little ice cream and like a little turtle.
Okay, I'm gonna see what we got.
I got, let me check.
I got Cocoa Pup, and you got Truffle.
Oh wait, I got
Truffle.
Whatever.
And I got the cupcake. So I'm gonna put them back in there.
Okay.
I definitely want to do this more often, guys. Here you
I
go.
really want you to
So
pick
we only
this.
have 4 things.
I really want her to pick this because look, it's like a little Chinese box. So pick one of these. You can even feel it, so pick it.
And then at the end we're gonna do the Shopkin.
You're mean.
I did that on purpose.
No.
You gotta do this. This is season 4 Squishy Mushy.
It went.
It's okay. I think that's just a defect. That was kind of gross.
I can't open it.
Come on. Maybe there's a thing at the bottom.
Yay! Nobody opened it.
I think I just broke my finger.
I haven't laughed this hard since my puppy died.
What? Quinn is a demon.
I I'm just kidding. I cried.
There. Quinn! Okay, so when you open it, you get what you think
Yeah,
is
it's like,
inside. A ball chain inside.
we're
like
opening this last, but
You got 2 ball chains? I only have 1. Oh, look, I got a zebra. We're going for the theme, guys. What the crap?
wait, you got a zebra on every?
Mostly. Pretty much.
Look, and I got like this little fox,
And then you can name it, so.
and then I got, okay, everybody.
Wait, hold on. Wait, there's something else in it.
No, yeah, this.
There's like its little buddy, I guess. Oh, it's, I don't know. And then you can put its ball chain.
Mine's like a little wedding cake.
A wedding cake! What the crap?
Okay, my turn. Ready, set. Ah!
The last thing, duh.
No, not the last.
Well, it's,
Mostly. Of the little
there's so much
stuff.
trash. Get out of the way, dude. It's like a little milk carton.
I can't open my milk. I hate our milk at school, don't you?
Yeah.
Sorry, the people that actually drink it.
Oh! Yo, girl!
What?
Yo, girl.
What?
It's yogurt.
Mine too.
We got twinsies!
Wait, it's hard.
Because it has a little thing in the middle. Well,
Okay.
so now it's time for shotguns. Give me it. Give me mine.
Oh no, my stuff is on it.
Give me it.
There you go.
Give me it.
You get it. My responsibility. Go. Ah! Okay,
Wait, where is
I gotta
everything?
back up.
I lost something.
What?
My cat.
What cat? What?
Like dudes. Oh, it was right in front of my face. Okay, so it comes in this really big 24 pack. So we're gonna be here for a little bit, guys.
I hope not. Wait,
So rip off this first. There's tape on it.
Oh, dude, look.
Okay, there you go. Now you gotta open this first.
No,
Okay, I'm opening this first, guys, because.
she's not like a savage like I am.
Okay, so the first thing it comes with, do your little square first. Do this, the thing that came inside the square first.
That, there.
Quinn, for real.
No.
Mine came with a bakery bread.
Okay, so mine came
And-
like with
This.
Farm Fresh
Bathroom essentials.
cookie cake, and then like,
You gotta open them.
I know, but I'm showing you.
Yeah.
Beauty products.
So we're not actually gonna open them. We're just getting everything else.
Cart.
Okay.
I don't know how someone's gonna put me, but bathroom time.
So I got some
Perfect
treat snacks.
Bread.
I got some kitchen and utensils. Got some sweet edition. I got some Chinese food.
You got Chinese?
Some shoes
I'm jealous.
inside here. I got
I'm actually
some
jealous.
butter,
Oh my God.
some soap. Yeah, that. Hold on, wait for me. Cool desserts. Hey, that's mine.
My Chinese food.
Actually, I got 2 Chinese, so
Thank
another
you.
Chinese. And then a jam. So start with your bread first.
And I got cookie dough.
So start with the bread first.
Hold on.
If
And I got sweet sour sauce. And I got a little shopkin.
oh yeah, and it comes with like a little shop.
Okay, so I'm gonna get our opening. I'm gonna start with like.
My bread. I'm starting with my bread, guys.
I'm not, so.
And it comes with a little sticker that like you can flip. What are you starting with?
I don't know.
Oh, your heart? I got one too. I had some plastic in my mouth from ripping opening. Okay, so the thing that was inside the bread is
Oh, I got jelly beans.
was a croissant with chocolate.
Okay, next, I'm gonna open the dinner box.
I'm gonna
Chinese
open
food. No, open your Chinese food.
my Chinese foods,
I might keep this.
and they're
Chinese
so
box.
cute.
You're probably people at our school are gonna say we're too young to have these.
Yeah, we didn't pick out all this, so. It's a sandwich.
I got poop. Poop. It says poop.
It says pop.
Well, I'm stupid, so.
Poop.
Okay,
What's happening to Quinn's brain?
I'm opening birthday cake.
I'm opening my kitchen essentials.
Which is probably not gonna be actual. Oh, I got carrot cake!
Cute. Whatever.
And I got lip products, which I'm scared about.
I got it. Whatever.
What is that?
I don't know.
I just swallowed plastic.
I'm gonna open one of my like soaps.
Oh wait.
There's because this is supposed to go in there. So what was supposed to go in here is this. The next thing.
I bet this is gonna be like foundation. You're right.
Is
The
that?
heck? Is this deodorant?
Oh, I got some shampoo.
You don't know what.
Why
that
were you
is.
smelling it?
I don't know.
Okay, and then I got some snack food.
How do you open the freaking so? Oh,
How do you open this?
you don't know how to freaking open it? It's like me.
We'll get scissors for that. So the jam. If I can open it, how do you open? What the crap?
I can't breathe.
I can't open anything. What the crap?
You want me to go get scissors?
I go get scissors.
You. I got a little tube.
I got that too. Did I brush my teeth today? I did.
I did.
Cheese inside of a butter container, whatever.
I'm opening my bread.
I already opened my bread. Mine wasn't like yours, but
I'm actually opening bread. Look. I'm actually opening bread. Get it?
bread inside of bread inside of bread.
This probably is bread. Oh, but dude, it looks like bread.
Uh-huh. We have so much trash to clean up. So inside the heart shape there was chocolate.
Chocolate mayo. Oh.
Bread.
Oh, sorry guys. We gotta hurry this.
This video is 18 minutes already. So, yeah. I got a shoe inside the shoe.
Just hurry up and stop talking. Because I'm at 20%. Got a hairbrush. Not much to talk.
What? Got scream.
My scream is annoying.
that was Rachel's.
Nothing.
What is this? What did it come in anyways?
I don't know. I'm just
Oh, it came inside.
I got a cookie. You can already tell.
A dessert? I have 3 left, which I can't open.
Yeah, you can.
Ooh!
Got a cookie.
So, this is fun. To watch us struggle.
That's how you unbox.
Like a fruit cake. I don't know. A fruit thing. Inside this pie.
Really don't care was blind. You know my mom sleeps in here, dude?
Yeah.
We're gonna say the Aftermath cupcake. I feel like I'm done. You might know I still have vegetables. then that will be it.
I have plastic in my teeth.
No, wait. I only have this, which I'm going to open at the same time.
I'm picking my teeth. And then my jam inside my jam. What a freak. I don't care.
Oh, I have it again.
How do you open these? Gwen, how?
Mm-mm.
There's plastic in my teeth, guys. I can't open this last one, so we're just gonna guess.
What? What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Give me it, and I can probably open it. I can't inside. Look, I'm gonna go out of the room, and like 1 second, I'll be out in.
1,
Wait, no, I'm ready to go out.
1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
House pulled out.
So there's ships inside of ships. So.
I just had to do that. Ow. Oh, I don't want to clean up. Bye, Felicia. Peace, love you. Make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe and turn on post notifications. Go to bed. Wait, show them when I'm ready to jump out of bed. Get the...
Go ahead.